First Army Division East trainers of the 205th Infantry Brigade recently held a change of responsibility ceremony at Camp Atterbury Joint Maneuver Training Center in Edinburgh, Indiana, where Command Sergeant Major Anthony Edwards transferred his responsibility as Command Sergeant Major of the 205th Infantry Brigade to Sergeant Major Buddy Wells.
But you know, the thing that makes me feel good is looking out in the ranks, seeing a bunch of young non-commissioned officers and officers that is going to lead this Army to the next level. Man, that is good. So, you know, and I think I've probably done all that I could do with my experience. And now the new experience picks up where I've left off at and continue to push this Army even further.
Reporting for the 205th Infantry Brigade, I'm Staff Sergeant Reginald Grady.